exposure to different cultures. In turning off campus exposure, you can different organization, culture, communication styles, and workplace norms, enhancing your adaptability and culture components. And lastly, the independency and responsibility. Interning off campus specifically requires more independency and self-resilience command to on-campus position. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ushi Grace. My department is quality assurance, which is incoming quality control. I'm in the first floor in the warehouse, so I'm the QC in the warehouse. My content of my internship is like we're inspecting the materials. We're inspecting the materials to the company, which is we're the first touch of the materials before it goes to production line, except the warehouse. So we have to check the date code if it's okay to use it, and then if we will check the quantity if it's correct, and then I can show you the flow chart of my. It's not clear. I'm sorry. I can show you the flow chart. So first we'll receive the GR paper from the warehouse, so we can pick the materials from the outside, and then we can get a sample, at least 5 samples, and then we can inspect it, and then if it's passed or if it's good with no abnormalities in the outside, in the inside, or the measurements or the LCR in the capacitors, inductors, yes. So we can pass it in the QMS, which is the system we use to post the GR numbers, so it should have a data in it. And then I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot this semester. I've learned a lot this semester, unlike the other semester, the last semester. And then, yeah. And that being said, my internship was a positive experience here in Grasse. So thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Next group. Okay.
以上是我们的讲导。
Too late. 来自己了。在下班有开始一个。最后一组，最后一组，对。所以会提早结束。有硬题。是吗？
大家好，我叫马赫安德。我们是第5批的 BDG 或移植。So we are the last group of the fifth batch. So I am also at the department of SMT or Surface Mount Technology. And so a lot of you heard about my co-workers at the same department about the SMT. So I will only focus on what did you learn in this semester's internship. So this is my acquired or improved skills that I've learned during in my 1 year internship in my department in SMT. So teamwork, socialize, and problem solver. So I only highlighted 3 because every day I think this is what I need, those skills: teamwork, socialize, and problem solver. Teamwork and socialize. So in the SMT department, you are a team in there. So you need also to socialize with your team and become a team player, because you can't have a smooth production without socializing with your team or become part of the team. So problem solver, as like Jay said, that there are common problems in SMT, such as like bridges, townstone. Before when the materials is being mounted at the machine. So every morning before we start our job in a department in SMT, this kind of quality policy that we need to memorize, and we need to memorize so that we have a quality product every day. So do not produce defective product by the means of human error. Second, do not receive or accept defective materials, and do not transfer defective products. So because to meet a high standard and reliability and safety of the product, and it is crucial to prevent defect caused by human error in the production. So also we need to double check all the materials before using or mounted it at the PCB or printed circuit board. We need to double check if there's an abnormalities or different in what it used to be. So we need to report it in our leaders, so it will be tested, and if it is okay, then it will be mounted at the machine. So the whole year in my internship is what I've learned is teamwork, socializing, and problem solver. So that will be all.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're the same department with Martha Anje, the SM. I assigned in PCB assembly, that's called PCB printed circuit board. Assembly, labeling involved, marketing, and defining various components, connection, and section of PCB. Like barcodes and QR codes used for inventory management and tracking, automated scanning during assembly and testing processes. For me, off-campus internship and school life provides opportunity to build professional networks with supervisors and industrial professionals, while school life offers opportunities to build academics and social network with classmates and professors. And what is the next goals and how should current capabilities improve? Is develop soft skills, enhance technical skills, communication skills. By focusing on this step, and individuals can enhance their current capabilities and making them more competitive while preparing for advancing this career to the next level. And for the last learning during this semester internship is, my internship was a transformative experience, helping me grow both professionally and personally. I am more confident in abilities and better prepared for the future challenge.
你好，我叫马丽莲，来自经济保证部侦查 PC。我的公司是侦查并财保产品的名字。As you can see, I'm from the third floor, first building. From the assembly area, I'm qualified as IPQC or in process quality control. Internship provides Internship provides insight into various industries, expose students to different work environments, and often lead to valuable mentorship opportunities. As I work in the company as a quality assurance or a quality control professional, my main role is to ensure that products or service meet quality standard. This involves developing and implementing quality assurance policies and procedures, conducting inspection and tests, identifying defects or deviation, and implementing corrective actions. When I started working in the company, I was anxious and unsure of what to do. However, professionals taught me how to become one, and when I applied this information, it became a lesson. Just like what I had learned during my internship taught me a lot, and those lessons have helped me become a better product provider. I gained knowledge about efficient communication techniques by assisting experienced professionals. 以上是我的简报，请多多指教，谢谢。
大家好，我叫乔伊斯。I'm in the manufacturing department, specifically in the assembly process. So I'm responsible for putting the serial number or SN in the product or labeling. I need to make sure that I correctly match the SN with the product. So the SN allows for precise tracking of each product throughout the manufacturing process. Required details records of each product. In case of defects or failures, serial number is a reliable way to meet these requirements. So how off-campus internship different from school life? So off-campus internship provides a multifaceted learning experience. So it offers a diverse learning opportunities. It allows us to gain practical experience in a real-world setting, exposing us of a variety of tasks and responsibilities in a professional environment. So internship offers a first-hand look into the working of a particular industry. So by allowing us to observe and participate in daily operations, we gain direct experience, and this exposure helps us to understand the industry standards. So what did I learn during the semester internship? So for me, internship is a journey of self-discovery because it provides opportunities to explore different roles. It helps us to identify our preferences, strengths, and weaknesses. Through a hands-on experience, we gain a deeper understanding of our capabilities and how we handle responsibilities. So, what is my next goal? Because we gain foundational skills and experience, and now it's time to apply them in a full-time role. So, career growth allows us to build on what we learn, take on more responsibilities, and advance in our choosing fields. That's all. Thank you.
Yes,
how about your work this semester? Is any different with the previous one? Work, your internship work. Any difference this semester compared to the previous one?
The same, Papa. I am at the department of assembly.
So you're not stay there for more than how many years? Only this semester?
No, just only 8 months.
8 months.
Yes. 8 months. Almost of my internship.
So how you feel about SMD?
It's okay.
Is it difficult?
It's okay, but there's also challenges, but I think we can handle it.
So how about Jovian?
It's same with Marta and Jebaba. But I'm assigned in PCB Open, like the first procedure to put into the machine.
So you also stay there about 8 months?
Yes, Baba.
So any difference compared to the previous one?
No, Baba.
No? Any difference compared to the one before you go to the S&T? Your internship? Nothing different?
Before Baba is I'm assigned in machine, but this semester is I'm assigned to PCB assembly.
So SMT is more exciting or boring?
Exciting, Baba, because all SMT Filipino SMT person is all Filipino.
Exciting, Baba, because there's like an energy.
Okay, thank you.
Baba, 我们一起拍照。
Later. Later. 哎，那个梅克，你要不要稍微做个他们，要吗？还是
厂商还是做个
因为刚刚那个谁，这个秦小姐，她刚好就要讲话，跑去开会。
哦，
不然他们来带。
要不要先就简短的讲1-2点？
你讲中文没关系啦，
就是他们讲中文没问题。
对，所以你刚刚那个他们那个请假的事情可以稍微讲，等一下我再跟他解释。就请他们控制好请假的事情。Okay, everyone sit down. Everyone sit down. We are almost finished, right? Just sit down.
I think you guys all did a great job in this semester. And I think there's something that you can improve, like enhance the skill of making PowerPoint. Yeah, you know, the typesetting. Maybe you can mark out the important thing with a red color, something like that. And not just to read what you put on PowerPoint. You know, so many students just like this and standing here, look on the PowerPoint and I'm gonna do that. Yeah, you have to look forward and look down the stage and look the teacher, me, or even your classmate. I think that's a good presentation. And
稍微提一下，让他们知道那很严重。
How many students don't know the rules about taking a leave in company? Please raise your hand. You know how many days that you can take a personal leave? It's how many days? F5 student is 7 days. F4 student is 14 days. And
you cannot take 3 consecutive absences.
yeah. Okay, so if you feel sick, you can take a sick leave. Sick leave is different from the personal leave. Sick leave you can have 30 days per year. 30 days, and you still get paid. You'll get paid half a day. So don't be lazy to go to hospital. Please, you only get 14 days, 14 personal leave. Okay. Like this day, today you have to take a leave, right? A personal leave. But if you run out of your leave, how are you gonna show up here, right? And just be careful, okay? And I will remind you when you out of limit or you close to the limit, okay? Okay. Yeah. What?
Don't those students who are over 6 months working in Ingress's company have the annual leave?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 3 days.
3 days.
If you work in Ingress's for 6 months, then you get 3 days. And more than a year is 7 days. Okay.
We use it today for today's work license, the annual leave. Is it okay?
I'm not sure if you have the special leave right now or not. I have to check for you guys in the system.
Okay, sir.
Anything else you want to ask? Yes. Overtime. In summer vacation. Hey, we are such a big company. If we do something wrong, the government will fine us. I will get fined. and you guys cannot go to company to work. Yeah, so we have to follow the rules, the regulations. The limit of a student during their semester is 40 hours per week. Yeah. So yeah, that's the rule.
Maybe looking for summer.
Yeah, summer
break.
vacation.
This-
You'll get overtime.
This monthly circulation, can we start to go overtime
Next week.
next week?
No. Start from June 22.
June 22,
No, 22 is Saturday. June 23.
23.
Yes. But I'm not sure.
How many hours?
Yeah.
Because last winter vacation circulation we only have about 46 hours over 46 hours in a month. 46 overtime hours in a month.
Yeah, you can only work overtime 46 hours per month. That's the regulation. Yeah, that's the law.
The last question. As for the annual leave, you said that for employees who are over 6 months
Yes.
working in the industries, can we use the 3 annual leaves in the same consecutive days or 3 consecutive days? Or
Yes.
yes.
You can do whatever you want.
Okay, so thank you.
Okay.
Even though there are students, they are not foreign workers. They are students by status by immigration. They're not foreign workers.
But they still have that as annual leave.
The annual leave is for, let us say, the personal is 14 days. For the sick leave is 30 days in a year.
Personal leave is 14 days.
Yeah. But it
For the
depends
student that have internship, they work 5 days per week in company. But those only work 20 hours in our company. Per week is 7 days. They can
Yeah, the
take 7
part-time,
days.
the part-time.
Yeah, the part-time. Yeah.
Okay, sir, thank you for the just yet.
And remember, don't mute the group chat. I will tag you guys if you have something wrong with your absence and anything else. I will tag you in the line. Please don't ignore my message.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Please.
Okay. Some comment?
Good, a lot.
Exactly.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you? Fine. Hoo-ha? Hoo-ha? Oh, hungry? You didn't have your lunch yet? Oh, that's why you don't have any energy,
They are all
right?
spoiled.
Oh, okay, I see. Well, okay. Congrats for this 1 week. Right? For sure you learn a lot. Company, school, it's totally different environment, right? So I hope more perspective. But when I see it during your presentation, the same thing with Mr. Clayton. It's like you're reading your materials, there's no interactions. It's not a presentation, it's quotes. When you do presentations, eye-to-eye contact with a person, be confident with your topic. It's been a year. You're in that company, right? Even you close your eyes, for sure you can say it. But it seems you don't have confidence with your topic. That's how I see it with you. You're with your phone or with your paper or something. Some speaks in Chinese, which is good. Even though I don't understand what are those words. But how I wish. So, you'll be 2 more years. Your Chinese proficiency, please. Level 2 up. So congrats to those who get the level 1 and level 2. We have
B1.
Yeah, we have B1. Yeah. And so, and I don't know, A2, do we have A2? How many of them?
5 from our class.
5, very good. So a little safe already. The rest, you need to work hard. Okay? Come again? Come again? Yeah, and also, he was talking about your leave. Okay. You know our program rules based on my criteria. As much as possible, no going home unless you finish your studies, right? We are clear with that. But some of you, I said, unless deemed necessary, you can go home. But please, when you go home, because some of you, it's just an information for us. You did not even ask the company for a leave or even the school. You just tell us that we will not be on school, we're going home for a certain reason. I don't think it's a good one. I know you're talking about your personal leave, how many, because they have thoughts on that. The sick leave, but in our program, unless deemed necessary, they can go back home to the Philippines. But they can use their leave according to the law of Taiwan. Yeah. So, this is my reminder, folks, if you want to finish your studies in Taiwan, 40 hours for part-time, remember that, that's the policy. If you go and work outside, then the company where they are at, it's gonna be a big mess for you and the company. And if you want to stay longer in Taiwan, let us follow the rules in Taiwan, their policy. So, think for a future outlook, not only for a short time. If you want to stay longer after your graduation in Taiwan, then follow the immigration law and the policy. Remember, you're a student, you're not a foreign workers. Remember that. So, if you want to finish, me and the IEM department, and for sure your company will help you with that. But please follow the laws, whatever laws we have in this program and the Taiwan government. You heard from him, there will be penalty. Also, it's millions. It's gonna be a box of money. And for your part, it will be deportation, and it can be blacklisted. You cannot come back to Taiwan. That's for sure. That's why we're telling, since a lot of you are talking about, these kind of things right now. So, yeah, clarifications, but okay, and so happy to see you all, and congrats. See you on the next semester at school. And enjoy the summer. So you can treat yourself when you receive your salary. Okay, and thank you, Professor Lee, Professor Yang, and Sir Clayton. Thank you.
他们现在发，他们现在发，他们现在发。
OK，陈伟，发了，陈伟，他要发吗？先拍照，先拍照吧。OK。拍照，需要动吗？
Maybe we can just sit down here.
就这样，这坐着照。
不要动，就直接拍进去就好了，直接拍进去就好了。
然后没有良心。
Congrats, number 1.
Sorry, the last page. I'm sorry about ignoring all your personal message because I have some family issues these days. If you have any question you want to ask me, then you can come straight to me. Okay, or send me the message again. 好，谢谢。
Uy, SMT, picture ka. Uy! Michael, here's some pictures out there. And, so, thank you.
Okay,